Hello and welcome to today's Passion for Dancing lesson. My name is Egils and assisting me is Sveta. And today we're going to teach you natural turn in Viennese Waltz. Now, natural turn is most basic Viennese Waltz figure. Let's get started. Let's do natural turn to the count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's do again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's look at man's steps. Man starts with right foot, forward to side, close, back to side and close. Let's look again. Man starts with right foot and forward, side, close, back to side and close. And now let's look how man turns. He starts usually facing diagonal to center, but in first step he turns to line of dance and ends backing diagonal to center. So we continue, he goes back down line of dance, and then he ends diagonally to center. Let's look again. In each bar, man turns half a turn. 1, 2, 3, half turn, and again 1, 2, 3, another half turn. Let's look at man's footwork. Man starts with right foot, heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, heel, toe, flat foot. Let's look again. Man starts with a right foot, heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, heel, toe, flat foot. And that's man's footwork. Let's look at lady's steps. Lady starts with left foot and back to side, close, forward to side and close. Let's look again. Lady starts with left foot and back to side, close, forward to side and close. Lady starts backing diagonal to center and she turns half a turn in first 3 steps and 1, 2, 3. Now she is facing diagonal to center and now she will turn another half turn to right and 1, 2, 3, and she finishes backing diagonally to center. Let's look again. Lady will turn half a turn in first 3 steps and 1, 2, 3, and another half turn in next 3 steps and 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at lady's footwork. Lady starts with left foot and toe, heel, toe, flat and heel, toe, 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 heel. And now let's look again. Lady starts with left foot and toe, heel, toe, flat and heel, toe, 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 heel. Technique tips. The first tip is about level of rise and fall so that we avoid jumping. So we rise slightly and here also very slight rise. Now let's look what happens if we rise too much, especially in high-speed music. So this is not correct. And again, correct way. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. The second tip is how to achieve smooth movement. When we close feet, we do not have time to hold this position. It is like almost like chasse. When we close, we immediately take next step. Let's look. So we close and we continue straight away. Now let's look what happens if we hold position. I will hold position. So I hold too long, and movement is not fluid. Let's look again, correct way, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. We hope you mastered the steps. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.